Just keep uploading.
So I'm traveling for the next 2 weeks. I won't be home in this office, but I have 2 different sponsored videos that I'm making. One for this projector. The problem is I'm traveling for work. I'm still doing my full-time job, which is running a video production company. Not a problem, I shouldn't say it's a problem, but as I'm building this YouTube channel, I'm starting to do more and more videos that actually allow me to make YouTube videos for a living. There's deadlines on those. There's also deadlines on the video production company. So I have to figure out a way to do both. Luckily, there's always a way to make things work. In this situation, I have like 3 free days in Los Angeles. I'm just gonna either rent a studio or film in my hotel, depending on how the hotel looks, the review of this projector. So that'll be one of my days spent in Los Angeles, either in a hotel or a studio or an Airbnb. I'm not sure yet, I haven't booked my travel yet, but I'll be able to film this in a cool location there. It'll just, boost the production value of the video, and hopefully they'll be stoked on it. All right, I am probably 60% packed. This happens to me all the time when I'm supposed to travel. I said I was gonna try to leave the house by 1. It's 1:36, and I probably won't leave the house until 3. All right, we're packed up. It is time to load the truck up and hit the road. I'm gonna miss this room for the oh my gosh, I almost forgot my laptop. I'm gonna miss this place for the next 2 weeks. About an hour and a half from Irvine. I'm coming down the Grapevine right now into where Magic Mountain is. I'm starving. I was really trying to wait until I got to Irvine to eat, and I don't know if I'm gonna be able to wait that long. If you've been watching these videos, then you know when I travel, there's only one place to go to.
Thank you. And there's our beverage for you.
Thank you so much.
Pleasure. You have a great day.
You too. This is a unique shot. I didn't really explain why I'm going on all these trips or what I'm doing, but to break down these jobs, if you are new to this channel, welcome. I've been doing video production full time for the past like literally half my life I've been doing this, and a lot of it is travel based. I don't really work too much in the town that I live in, which means I'm traveling all the time to do those jobs. So the first job tomorrow is for a client that I have. It's just a quick shoot. Then I fly to Nashville for like a corporate conference that I'm just cam opping on. So I'm just, floating around, capturing the event from Thursday until Sunday. Then I fly back to LA and I have like a day off. I'm gonna shoot a YouTube video while I'm there. And then I have a shoot in Orange County. I have to go back to Orange County. I have a job there, which is like a social media shoot, like just social ads for a company. I have another shoot in Orange County, which just booked as I was driving down. And then I have to go back to LA for a 4-day job where we're going from LA to Las Vegas. But in between that, I have to do content for the channel, whether it's brand deals, but also just these videos. And I wanted to talk about why I'm pushing myself so hard to make these videos in between such a busy schedule. So I've been making these YouTube videos for years now, and every year, at the beginning of the year, I think I'm gonna really commit to making these YouTube videos. And then what happens is the day job kind of gets in the way of that. But in between that, there's time for me to make videos, but I use that busyness for my day job as an excuse to not make these videos. Clearly, I've been watching a lot of Casey Neistat vlogs, which reflects why I'm doing so many vlog style videos on this channel. But there's one thing that I watched a couple days ago that really stood out to me.
And it's the best piece of YouTube advice I've ever been given, and it was 3 words. Just keep uploading.
The only thing stopping me from doing this at this point is not uploading. So that's why I'm trying to do whatever it takes to upload as much as possible. And I think the easiest way to do this, especially if you are busy and you're running your own business, you have a job, you have a family, like a bunch of stuff, you just have to simplify what you do to be able to output more. So for me, it's making videos that are easy to produce. It's videos like this that I can kind of easily chop chronologically on a timeline and put it out, and it's not as flashy, and there's not lights, and there's not a sit down talking head setup. All that stuff is great, and I love making those videos, and I still upload them, but I can only do those whenever the time is right. You just have to take a step back and figure out, how can I simplify this process to just output more? And that is my goal with this channel, is just to keep the output going. Since May, I've been uploading way more than I think I ever have on this channel, and it's just because I'm figuring out a way to balance my professional life, the brand deal and sponsored videos with this channel, like the more polished stuff, and then doing this stuff, which I love doing. I love putting out vlog content, lifestyle content, and there are easier ways to put out content, especially if there are logistics that are getting in the way. So that's my yap. That's why I'm uploading so frequently, and I need to eat because I'm freaking starving. Made it to Irvine. I need to show you all something pretty cool that happened right as I got here. 40,000 subscribers. That is crazy. Big milestone right there. I've been putting so much time and effort into this channel, and it's cool to see all of this growing. Like, I feel like I've grown so much just in the past 2 months of posting consistently, and I'm happy to see it showing, and I appreciate you all for subscribing to this channel. A quick rundown of what we're doing here. So we're just getting some like interview style videos for socials. So I have the C400 here. This is running an Elgato Cam Link into camera. I've got client on a Zoom call here so they can actually watch the video as it's being recorded. C50 as a B cam on the 70 to 200, and that's kind of what it looks like. All right, successful shoot, packing up all my gear and heading to LAX. About 33 minutes. I did not mean to put this in cinematic mode, but we're gonna roll with it. I'm about 30 minutes away from the hotel. Very excited to get back there because I have so much work to do. I'm probably going to be stuck in my room until I go to bed tonight. When I check into the hotel, I want to chat a little more about uploading more frequently and some of the things that different types of channels might be able to do to restructure, or at least restructure the thought process behind posting content to allow yourself to be able to upload more frequently. More yaps incoming. There are few things I love more than a hotel that actually has amazing natural light. My plans have changed a little bit since this morning. While I was at that shoot today, I got the call that the last portion of this trip has been canceled, or at least I've been canceled from the shoot. Happens all the time, it's not a big deal. I was somewhat relieved because it means I get to come home early and be home for my birthday, and also get a head start on some of those YouTube videos I was talking about. I've just been sitting here working, trying to get like way too much done and not enough time. Also, that's incredibly vague. Like, what is someone like me actually working on for so long? So for me, currently, I am looking for Airbnbs for me to stay here when I get back to LA. I'm looking at house locations for the potential shoot that I have next week. I'm dumping and backing up all the footage from today's shoot, and then after that, I need to edit a short form video that I owe to one of the brand deals that I just did. That's what I'm working on. It's all just, I have ADD, like, to the max, so I have to do like a million things all at once and just kind of get through it. All right, just got back to the room, had some dinner, got a little work done. Now I'm just kind of reorganizing my bags and getting ready for the flight tomorrow. I was gonna talk a little bit more about uploading more frequently, but I actually already recorded this last night, and I was gonna re-record it again today just since I ended up vlogging for 2 days in a row, but the lighting on that one last night just looked so much better, and I think I got all of the points out that I wanted to, so I'm just gonna play that one. To expand more on what I was talking about earlier about uploading more and simplifying the process to upload more, I understand that not everyone can do that for a number of different reasons, whether it's the type of content you make or it's your life scheduling conflicts, all of that. I understand that everyone is in a different position and not everyone can do that. But depending on what type of content you are putting out on YouTube, there's always a way to figure out how to upload more consistently. For example, let's say you do informational content. Maybe it's informational pieces that take a lot of time and research and a lot of piecing together to put out a single video. If you want to upload more frequently, you can come up with a series that's maybe it's a 2-minute Tuesday type of video series where you put out a video just talking about a quick fact or informational piece within the niche that you're in that is just like this. You're sitting down, it's a quick little bit of information, it's fun, it's entertaining, and it takes you maybe 10 to 30 minutes at most to film. It's just you in front of a camera putting out that video. Let's say you do camera content and you do gear reviews. You can put out a video just showcasing a small piece of gear. Maybe it's a quick editing tip. Maybe it's just something quick and easy that you can talk to the camera about and just put that out. Again, you find time on Saturday when you're not working. Maybe it's in the afternoon, maybe it's evening. If you stay up late after the kids go to bed, maybe it's recording it then, finding that little nugget of time to record your video and not putting too much time into the editing, because I understand that the editing is where a lot of people get caught up. For me, this type of content is incredibly easy to shoot. I love to document my trips, whether it's work or for fun. I love just bringing the camera along. And although I can't film a lot of the actual work that I'm doing, there's still ways for me to capture the content, figure out some sort of valuable nugget to put into the video, and put it out easily. In the past, if I'm on a long stint of travel jobs like this, I don't even touch YouTube or social media just because I'm working all day, I'm doing stuff that I can't document, and then I look back on it and I realize that there were a lot of good moments of time when I was out doing whatever that I could have been putting towards a video that interests me. I always look back and I regret not putting a little more effort into trying to get something out there. And again, everyone's different. Not everyone can find those little nuggets of time, but I think if you really pull back and restructure the type of content you put out, there's always a way to figure out how to upload more. You'll probably see a lot more uploads coming up in the next week to 2 weeks. As best as I can, I'm going to try and upload as many videos as possible when it makes sense to, and I hope you all follow along for the journey. Again, thank you all for subscribing to this channel. 40,000, that's unreal. That's absolutely crazy. But I'm still trying to get to 50,000, so I need your help. If you're not yet subscribed to the channel, subscribe right now. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.